Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are going to be walking through Dragonaire. We're going to show the team background, the project fundamentals. We're going to show a little bit of the game, the roadmap updates, and so much more. Some of the social aspects, what their Discord looks like, what their Twitter looks like, all of those things. You're going to want to stick around for this entire video. But before we get into the video, know that this is not financial advice in any sort of way. This is purely for entertainment and education purposes. So let's get into the video. So Dragonaire actually was started by Dino Games, and Dino Games has over 100 million users worldwide and has made some other world famous games like Crisis Action and Punishing. Let's walk in to see what Dino Games has done here with Dragonaire. So here's their website. Play to earn Dragon Metaverse game. It looks amazing. If you want to see anything else through this, just make sure to check the links down below and you can get a chance to play this game. You're really going to love it. So let's go into what does the gameplay look like? Well, you're going to collect 60 plus dragons to discover each of their unique abilities. And all the dragons in Dragonaire are each on the blockchain for true ownership. So you're going to be able to own these as NFTs, which is absolutely amazing. Each of these dragons actually has an evolution stage. So you train them kind of like in Pokemon, and they move up and they get stronger and stronger. And you can actually buy these dragons as NFTs to play in the game. There's different gameplay parts that you're going to see later in this video. Again, check the links below to see all the different things that you can do with Dragonaire and see their social media. And later in this video, you're going to see the gameplay, which is absolutely astonishing. You're not going to want to miss it. There's battle modes, dragon NFTs. So dragons are currently their valuable NFT assets and their core elements in Dragonaire ecosystem. There are over 60 dragons in the game, which have 3 forms to evolve into 180 different kinds of dragons. This is absolutely awesome, and really just, they have all kinds of different types of dragons. They have fire, wind, water, earth, just simple. The details on these are so cool. So Dragonaire is this epic, immersive, 3D encrypted Web 3.0 NFT collection on-chain game where you can collect different NFTs and then play them in the game. It's actually derived from the traditional gaming industry and has all different types of fighting within the game. P2E crypto hunters, GAFT guilds, NFT collectors, and artists and DeFi players can all enjoy this game. Let's look at their roadmap. So what is their roadmap? So 2021 is really when they started, and they have finished so much and they've done so much here. At any point in time, you can pause this video and check out their roadmap. Let's just hit on a few points. So they had their first setup in 2021. Coming into Q1 of 2022, they completed Dragonaire concept posters and NFTs. 2022, Q2, their official website was launched. What has been done in July? Well, in July, their NFT pre-sale launched and was done in 3 hours. Their IDO, their tokens, their DEAR was launched. Their grand token airdrop campaign started. Their Genesis airdrop, their liquidity pool, token DEAR staking pool is launching. There is so much here, and there's so much more to come and ongoing as their ecosystem just builds more and more. Let's look at their team members. You got Josh Lieberman, Suji Wilson, Huang Hong Min, TY, Lin Chen, and Tri Pham. Josh is the managing partner. The marketing is up to Suji. Huang Hong Min worked in some well-known games. They have a really great team behind them, and this is really a project that you're going to want to check out. So make sure to check the links below to see what you want to explore even more. Here are some of their partners: PancakeSwap, Element, Project Galaxy, BitMetis, Galler. There are so many backers for this project. It's just absolutely amazing to see who is backing them, and it's really encouraging to see how many different backers they have. So I just want to walk through just how to get some of their NFTs and some of the tokenomics of this project. So Dragonaire has a dual token system. They have DEAR and they have DES. So the token metrics of this The total supply of deer is 100 million, and there's no additional deer that will be issued. It's just capped at 100 million. And it shows each part of the total supply here. It gives you the IDO details, deer. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token type. Total supply is 100 million. And right now, only 7 million are in supply. So you know what that means, folks. You want to get in early. You want to be able to buy this. Make sure to check out the DEX exchange and see how you can buy it on PancakeSwap. Their accepted currency right now is BNB. So this shows their token release, how they're going to be releasing all their tokens. I want to talk about how to gain the tokens and what that really means. So how to gain deer. Method 1, defeat enemies in Trial Spire with consumption of DP items. Method 2, participate in player versus player arena battles. And then method 3, participate in airdrop campaigns. What do? Well, they are doing airdrop campaigns all the time. And we're going to see in their Twitter all their other different campaigns that they have. Participate in IDO campaign, swap cryptocurrencies on Pancake. So you want to swap Ethereum for this? You can do that on PancakeSwap. You want to swap BNB for this? You can do that. This is an amazing project you just want to get into. You want to get into now. Check out the links below for any other information on this project. How to gain DES, their second token. Well, sweet boss stages in the main campaign. This is all going to be collected within the game that you're going to see in just a couple minutes. And so lastly, in this white paper, we're going to look at how do you get NFTs. Well, the first 3 NFTs you're actually going to get for free. As soon as you sign up for the game, you're going to get those NFTs for free, and that will give you the ability to actually play in the game. And then later on, if you want to buy more NFTs, you just go to their marketplace and you'll be able to buy NFTs from Dragonaire. You'll be able to buy NFTs from Dragonaire. Let's check out their marketplace real quick here. So this is their marketplace. This is where you can actually buy NFTs in the different types of dragons. There are tons of dragons here. It says 93, but actually you can filter through and see what different type of dragon you want, what star level, what class. Maybe you're only into you only want a fire dragon, so you're going to search for that fire dragon. What can you do here? You can buy, but first you need to set up your MetaMask. Make sure to set up your MetaMask there, and then you can buy as long as you have deer in your wallet. And again, you can get their deer on PancakeSwap, decentralized exchange. And these are the different types of mystery boxes that you can buy as well, where you can get more dragons. Let's look over and see what their Discord channel looks like and how many people are even on their Discord. So currently they have 38,000.8, almost 39,000 users on Discord. This is a great spot where you can interact with the community. You can see who's playing the game and maybe just even see some different prize drops. They will welcome you to the community, and just if you have any questions about the game, you can go into this and just ask any questions you want. And lastly, what else is more important than just how the game works, how amazing the team is, and how you can buy more NFTs? Again, if you want to know more about Dragonaire, go down below and check out the links below. You want to go to a project's Twitter page. You want to see how active they are. They have 52,000 followers on there. And here it's going to show you their different partners that they have. It's absolutely astonishing. It shows that when they're launching, they have contests on here. It's just incredible to see what is going on Dragonaire. You got BitKeep that is partnering with them, Onto that's partnering with them. They have so many partners. It's incredible. This is just going to get bigger and bigger, and this is just starting. The game was just launched in July 20th, 2022. You guys are really going to want to get in on this. All right, folks, so I'm going to show you how to play the game and how to get started. So we're going to go into getting started and what that even looks like. So you're going to follow these steps to get started. First off, you're going to get a MetaMask account, and then you're going to log into the marketplace that I showed you earlier. And once you've done that, you're going to download the Dragonaire APK, and then you're going to download the LD player. And once you have the LD player and once you have the APK in place, you're going to go back to the marketplace that you were in. You're going to show a QR code and you're going to scan that QR code. If you're using a laptop, the best thing for you to do is take a screenshot and then add that screenshot into your LD player and scan it there. If you're using a MacBook, if you have an M1, you cannot use this game. Unfortunately, you're going to have to use an older Mac. And the only emulator you can download is BlueStacks. BlueStacks is the only emulator that will work for Mac. As far as PC, you'll be good to go. You just download it, check out the game. Let's look at the game right now and dive into what the gameplay looks like, because it's pretty sweet. So here we are in the game, and I'm just going to go through a few portions of the game. As you can see, there's like a map in here that shows level 1 of 1 and each points that you can get as you travel through the map. Shows you the different ways to earn. You can earn some deer. Unlock this after clearing 1 to 10. There's different things in this game. Really attractive in how it's been made and just very interactive. Shows your avatar up at the top. This is you. At this point in time, it looks like I only get one avatar. You can change who you are. So you can put in what your character name is. You have to click off the screen to get back to it. Elder's Hut that you can go to. It's really cool how it just like zooms in and then it shows you the different things that you can buy, different dragons, all the different levels of dragon. Let's just look at some of these dragons here. So this is level 100 dragon. The graphics are really great in this game, and it shows you all the other different kinds of cards that you can get. Level 260. These are different things that you can strive for. What its main power is. Talks about other things, how it can disable enemies. You can look at a demo here on the bottom, demonstrate how the gameplay actually is and what a battle looks like. Kind of RPG, role playing. You attack, they attack. I really enjoy these types of games, and I know you will enjoy these as well. And it just goes round to round. You can see how each type of dragon reacts. So this type of dragon is good against this type of dragon. This type of dragon is good against this type of dragon. This type of dragon is good against this type of dragon. And these are interchangeable. There's also this cool space. Unlock after clearing level 4. Unlock after clearing level 2. There is a chest that you can open up and just look at the rewards that you can get each day. This is a time chest. So after every 12 hours or so, you're going to be able to open up this chest again. So again, really popular games. Look at these types leveling up as time progresses. Let's look at the battle stages here. So you can pick the different dragons that you want. All right, well, I only have these 3 dragons. So those are the ones that I started with. And we're going to be fighting this other level 1 dragon. This is super exciting to watch and see how this plays out in a game that was just launched. Dragonaire, made by Dino Games. This is some really good gameplay. And look at that. We did quite well. I just want you to notice the graphics and how you can level up and how you can really attach this, how you can really link real life where you can actually buy bigger dragons. You can buy NFT bigger dragons that you can add into the game and earn and play to earn in this game. We'll do one more battle here just to show you what this looks like as we have our 3 dragons here battling it out. They do have some really cool music as well. It's very Pokemon-esque, which is pretty cool in that each of your dragons can transform, they can evolve, they get stronger as you play longer. The longer you play, the more you get the chance to upgrade your dragons. And alongside that, they have this storyline that's continuing to follow along in the game. And it's just really, really cool. You can really get involved in this and really enjoy this. Looks like we're going to be battling this level 4 dragon. I have no idea what this looks like, but let's see how we fare out in this. So round 1, we're going to see what we can do to this big guy. All right, so he's doing some pretty good damage on us. This is really interactive gameplay. Each time there is like talking through it, and Dino Games really does this well in all of their games that you see. And in their games, some games they have 60 million users in some of their Asian markets that are doing quite well. So yeah, that's some of the gameplay, guys. Let's get back to the rest of Dragonaire. Well, as we look at this as well, there's different quests that you can complete. What else is there in this? Those are daily quests. You can check out your bag in this. It's also interactive as they have chat features in here. You can add your friends, so there's a really social-fi aspect to this game, and it's a world chat, so it's a world game. You can look at your friends. You can add friends if you like. Apparently I don't have any friends. You can search for friends. You can apply. You can check out your mail. What is the game sending you, and what is just maybe someone else is sending you some mail as well. You can also settings in here. You can change your language. You can change the graphic settings. Do you want it on 60 frames per second? Do you want it on a safe zone, bloom, all these different things. These are just really like top of the line, like gaming that you would really want to be a part of. And this earning deer is you actually earning money that you could spend in the real world, which is really, really cool. Where some games you can only spend within the game. Well, if you earn deer, you can actually spend this in the real world. Unlock after clearing. They have an arena here. Got another reward. Type dragons. These are the dragons I have. You can sort through the different types of dragons you have. Fire, air, moon. Oh, it tells you what the dragons are all about. A little bit story about them if you're into that, which is pretty cool. Tells you what their powers are, what their strengths are. This is really crazy. Their abilities, their armor, their attack. Overall, looking at this game, this is really amazing game, and you guys should really check it out. Make sure to check the links below to see where you can play this game and how you can sign up for this. Check out the links below to see how you can sign up for this game and how you can play this game and see how big your dragons can get and how much real world deer that you can earn in this game. This is really exciting to see. All right, folks, so that is it for Dragonaire. What a wild ride. What an amazing game. Make sure to get involved with Dragonaire. We walked through the social media. We walked through their roadmap. We walked through how they have 100 million users worldwide and they are pouring over $10 million into this game. $3 million just into mock-ups and models. They have such an amazing team behind them, and the gameplay, as you've seen, was really great. And this is really immersive and a ton of fun. So much fun that you could bring real world into the web, bringing Web 3.0, buying NFTs. There's so much here. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, make sure to subscribe below, and also check out any links below that will really get you connected in with Dragonaire. Thank you so much for watching.